the dinner rolls, Rhodes Dinner Rolls. Eighteen Rhodes Dinner Rolls. About 3/4 stick of butter. I just cut the tip off of it. And brown sugar. I'm going to melt that together. While the butter melts, I'm going to take a 3-ounce box of pudding, butterscotch pudding, and it has to be cook and serve. Don't use the instant. It has to be cook and serve butterscotch pudding. And we just put this all over the bread. Okay, so we're melting the butter. And I have 3/4 cups of brown sugar. I'm going to put that in there. And then we're going to stir that. Hold that. Okay, so I'm going to take it and spoon it over. I have pecans. I'm going to use a 1/2 cup of pecans. I'm going to sprinkle them all over them. Doesn't matter if they fall off to the side. Okay, so it's ready. I'm going to put this in the oven overnight. And then when I wake up in the morning, I'm going to put my oven on 350, and I'm going to bake it for about 20-25 minutes. So it goes in the oven's turned off. Leave it there overnight. When you're ready to go to bed, like I'm going to put this in the oven, and then when I wake up in the morning, I'm going to put it on 350 for 20-25 minutes. Okay, there they are. I just took them out of the oven, bubbling away. I'm going to let them sit like this for a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to flip them over. Looking so delicious. Okay, I flipped them over. I waited for like a couple minutes, and then I flipped them over into a cookie sheet.